Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give demo on EKS Observability. Imagine you have a mission critical application running on Kubernetes, but you have no clue why it is slow. Logs are scattered, metrics are incomplete, and tracing is missing. That's the struggle. Today I will show you how Datadog turns EKS from a black box into a crystal clear window of insights. Today, you are going to see about challenges with AWS native tools like CloudWatch and kubectl. Also, with this, I will show you how you can overcome these challenges with help of Datadog platform. Let's see how AWS native tools looks like. I have deployed an EKS cluster by the name Observability Demo Cluster. And in this cluster, I have deployed an e-commerce website by the name Online Boutique. This application allows you to place order. So now we have placed an order, so we will see the live logs of this application too. So in CloudWatch, we will find a log group by the name of your EKS cluster, and this log group will consist of several log streams. But the thing is, the log group in CloudWatch only displays your control plane logs, not your application logs. So to see the application logs, we will be using kubectl command. Let me show you how kubectl works. So here are the pods running in my boutique namespace. So to see the logs of any of the service, I will use kubectl logs command. So here is the command. Now you can see the logs of my service. We have seen the payment service logs as of now. Now to see the metrics of all these pods, we will use top command, kubectl top pods and your namespace. So now you can see all the pods running in this namespace and their CPU and memory consumption. So this is how AWS Native Tool looks like. With this, there are many observability gaps like logs, metrics, and traces. All are scattered. Manual detective work you need to do to troubleshoot. There are no real app level insights. And also, when your microservices grow, so complexity increases. So, to overcome all these challenges, here comes is Datadog. So, what is Datadog? Datadog is not only a monitoring tool, but it is a unified platform that correlates metrics, logs, and traces automatically with machine learning powered insights. Let me explain it with help of an architecture diagram. So here you can see an EKS cluster is deployed with two EC2 nodes, each have their own application pods. In this, the pod writes logs to node's well log file, and the Datadog agent, which is running as daemon set, reads that logs and forwards it to Datadog. So there we get centralized visibility across whole EKS cluster. Let us see how this works. So here is my Datadog console. In this platform, you can find everything at one place. Here are all the pods being displayed which are deployed in your cluster. Now I want to filter the pods which are deployed in my boutique namespace. So I will get all the pods of boutique namespace. Now if I want to see the logs of any of my service, I will just click on that service and go in the logs tab and see the logs of that particular service. So like we have seen the logs. Now if you want to see the metrics of this particular pod, you will just go in metrics section and you can find all the metrics like CPU, memory and network rate, etc. Also, Datadog provides dashboards for you. So if I want to see the dashboards of my cluster, I will just choose the cluster and see the dashboards here. This dashboard shows you cluster CPU capacity, cluster memory capacity, and cluster pod utilization, everything at one place. As you have seen, Datadog platform where all logs, metrics, dashboard tracing, everything was centralized at one platform. So you can say Datadog takes us from blind spots to full visibility and makes observability simple at scale. So folks, are you ready to transform your Kubernetes experience? If yes, connect with Virtual Cloud today. We will help you get there. Thank you.